So folks, this is a little bit of a demonstration of the VoiceThread tool. I certainly encourage you to watch this through, but also to take advantage of the materials that are available at the UMass Boston resources. You can find a link to those resources in the Class 1 session related to the autobiographical introduction assignment, but you can also find VoiceThread help here on the toolbar, on the side toolbar. Um, so what you'll want to do when you want to use VoiceThread is to go to the class VoiceThread link. You should make sure that you have your working microphone and the ability to upload images, whether it's one still image or a PowerPoint presentation. Your first time here, you are likely to need to log in with your UMass Boston credentials or whatever credentials you use to log into Blackboard. And right now, this screen is blank. By the time you get here, others may have uploaded things. But let me show you briefly what's going to happen. You'll come to this screen. There's a link down here called Create. So you'll click on that link. It'll open up another window, and it'll bring you to the Create window for VoiceThread. So the first thing you want to do is you want to upload some kind of imagery. So you can click on the Upload button here. You have some options. You can bring in a media source or a URL or use your webcam, but for this purpose, I'm going to go to my computer and find a file. And the file can be a single image. It can be a PowerPoint presentation. In this case, I'm going to upload just a headshot of myself, and you'll see that here. So now it's uploaded. I can even give a title to this, Felicia Test. Now I want to comment or narrate my image, or if I had PowerPoint slides, my PowerPoint slides. So I'll click on the comment feature. I'll see myself here. Whoops, I've gone ahead of one. I'm going to click on comment, and here I'm going to go on record. I'm going to go record, or I can hit the video cam as well, but I'm just going to do audio recording. It will ask me if I want to have VoiceThread give access to my microphone, and I allow that. And now I'm talking, I'm testing. I'm going to stop the recording when I'm done. So you do your full 5 or 8 minutes of your autobiographical introduction, and then you would save. And then you probably want to do a little test to make sure that things were working. So I'm going to, I would hit play and see if it works. I'm not going to do it here because I think I'll get some audio reverb happening, but you should certainly test to make sure your audio is perfectly fine. You then want to come to publishing options and make sure that anyone can view this and anyone can comment, and save that. And then you want to share. Now, if you've logged in with your UMass Boston credentials, you should see the course here, the PCSCOR course 325. So you want to click on that because you want to share it with the course. You want the course to be able to see your VoiceThread, and you want the course members to be able to comment on your VoiceThread. So both of these things should be highlighted. So this is the course, and then over here are a link to the members of the course. So right now the only members of the course are my UMass Boston self and my non-UMass Boston self. As each of you join the course, we'll see a list of everybody who's part of that, and it will give permissions to those folks. That's all you need to do. So I can close this, and I'll close. And now if I refresh the class VoiceThread page, oh, I'm having a little bit of an error here. If I come back and go to class VoiceThread, takes a little time, you'll see that I now have myself here. Unfortunately, I did not title my piece, so I'll need to come back. I titled my image, but I didn't title my piece. I forgot to do that. I'll come to Menu and Edit. And here I can add a title. Feature test. And save that. So now if I come back to the class and refresh, oh, I guess it doesn't like the refreshing. So I'm just going to come back to the link. And now the title is there. So as each of you add your voice threads here, they will be available to the class. And there are instructions in each assignment of how you should save your voice thread so we can see it and easily get access to it. So then if I wanted to listen to my voice thread again, click on it, and it will bring my voice thread up or another classmate's voice thread. And then I can it's taking a little time. I can then listen to what I had to say. And then if I wanted to comment on one of my classmates' presentations or add something or give some kind of feedback, I could then, sorry, we went through here, I could then click on the comment feature, and then I could also record a second recording. And what will happen if you're a new person, it'll just kind of, your little icon will show up here, and we can see how that works. But that is the basics of using VoiceThread. Again, I really encourage you to check out the help materials for VoiceThread at UMass Boston. Again, there'll be information on how to resolve problems. And if you're experiencing problems with VoiceThread, please let me know. This is taking a little while to also upload. Okay, I'll have to resolve that issue. Right now, let's see if we can come back to the class sessions, session 1, the autobiographical introduction. This is where you will use VoiceThread for the first time and work out any of the kinks. Here should be resources that will help orient you to VoiceThread that are available from folks, the instructional technology folks at UMass Boston. So it will help you create an account, kind of watch another overview video, get some more detailed, and how you can get training to use this stuff. But you should be able to work it through. Most people in my classes are able to use VoiceThread. It is very, very important that you make sure this works for you, since there are key assignments that are required using this tool. And it's really important that you get to use the technology. So thanks for this tour, and if you have questions certainly about how to use the tool, please put them on the course Q&A board or email me directly. Thank you.